Now let's discuss features of marketing environment. In this section, we explore the core characteristics of the marketing environment, which help marketers understand how external and internal conditions impact business operation. Recognizing this feature enable better strategic planning and responsiveness. First is specific and general forces. The first important feature is the presence of specific and general forces within the marketing environment. First is specific forces. These are the forces that directly influence the company activity. They include suppliers, entities that provide raw materials and input. Second is investor, people or institution that fund business activities. Third is customer. Customer is the target market whose preference directly impacts sales. Second is general forces. These forces indirectly impact the business, often influencing market conditions over time. They include social trend. Social trend is the change in societal attitudes of preference. Second is political changes. Is a policy shift or regulatory reforms. Regulation is the government imposed rules. Technology advancement is the new technology altering how business operates. Understanding these factors help business in formulating both tactical and strategical responses. Second is complexity. The marketing environment is inherently complex because it comprises multiple interconnected elements. These elements do not operate in isolation. Instead, they interact and influence one another. Example, when technology advancement occur, they often changes consumer demand. In turn, company must modify their marketing strategy to align with new customer expectation driven by these technology. Thus, the interconnectedness create layers of complexity that marketer must decide to stay effective. Third is dynamic nature. Another significant feature is that the marketing environment is dynamic, meaning it is a constantly evolving. Factor contributing to the dynamic includes technology changes, new tools or platform, shifting consumer behavior, emerging trends. While company might have control over internal factor like pricing strategy, they have no control over external aspects like government regulation. Marketers who understand these ever-changing nature and adapt quickly are more likely to gain a competitive advantage in these industries. Fourth is uncertainty. The marketing environment is characterized by a high degree of uncertainty. Market trends can be unpredictable and company often cannot forecast what will gain popularity next. Example, in the fashion industry, consumer preference shift rapidly. What is trending today may become outdated within a month. Because of this unpredictability, marketers need to stay vigilant, flexible, ready to adapt their strategy frequently to align with customer trends. These features highlight the need for continuous market monitoring. Feature 5, relativity. Finally, the marketing environment is relatable, meaning product demand varies from one region to another. This is due to factors like culture, geography, and consumer behavior. For example, sari remain consistently popular in India, reflecting cultural significance. However, in Western countries, saris have limited demands. These understand the importance for companies to conduct local market research. Customize offering to ensure cultural and regional relevance before launching product. Without this understanding, even a globally successful product can fail in a different market context. That's all. Thank you.